Good afternoon, students. Today, commerce. Last class we all studied qualification of director, disqualifications of director. Qualifications of director is a person of sound mind, but disqualification of director is unsound mind. That is main difference. This only. Today we all study about power of director. Power of director. Last class qualified and disqualified. Now power. Directors is main important three powers. Today we are discuss about. Directors should have a version to frame policies to achieve the high level performance. Directors is our achievement is director achievement is high level performance. To achieve high level performance, they must be set to the goal of a company. Main goal. One new director appointed means the director that period is achieve any one new target. Next, they must have a power to carry on object of the company. The power of the directors grouped into four different heads. First one, statutory power of directors, managerial powers of directors, power only with a resolution. Fourth one, power of other powers. First one, statutory power of directors. In the general body meeting of the company, the following powers must be exercised by the board of directors by passing resolutions. First one director is newly appointed means the director is that time some changes, high level performance, some changing in business activities is new methods implementation. First one, power to make call in shareholders respects of money unpaid of the shares. Some person is 25% of shareholders but 10% only paid up share capital, 15% is not paid means the new director call the share capital money. Next one, power to issue a debenture. Some companies, some percentage of shares, some percentage of in debentures holders only in admitted. Next one, power to borrow a money otherwise than on debentures. Power to invest the fund of the company. Power to make a loan. This is power of director. Next one, power to diversity the company business. Power to approve a amalgamations and merger to reconstructions. The director company activities, some percentage of shares is same, some percentage of debentures allowed, some percentage of own business fund is own investment, some new methods of implementation, new ideas is some ideas is new reconstructions. That is statutory power of directors. Power to approve financial statement and board report. The financial statement report, the board financial committee is one report means that report is accepted in directors. Financial committee only is a final report for financial status. Next one, managerial power of directors. Powers to contract with the third party. Power to allot a forfeit or transfer shares of company. Power to decide the terms and conditions to issue debentures. Company is some third party is involved in business means some rules and regulations, some terms, conditions is followed. Some person is allotted means a share allotted, that person is paid, not paid amount, share money not paid means company is reissue. Shares is reissue rights. Next one, some terms and conditions is debentures is some terms. Debentures holders only do not enter in the business activity, only investment, only that work. But shareholder, many shareholders means one representative elected by one representative, that person is board of director. Power to frame a new policy and to issue instructions of efficient running of the business. Some new policy, frame a new policy. Some business activities is yearly very poor performance or some losses means company is some new board of directors implementation, that new board of director in frame some new policies to issue new instructions, rules and regulations. Next one, power to appointment managing director, manager, secretary of the company. Next one, power of the control and supervision of the work of subordinates. Many joint stock company, large scale companies, many subordinates. Subordinate means some supervisors. Each department one code, that each department one subordinate controlled by subordinates. Next one, power only with resolution to sell or lease any assets of a company. Company asset, some financially company some shortage means that time company to sell a shares or lease any asset of the company, to allow the time of the directors for repayment of the loan. The directors repayment of the loan. Some debentures is per one periodically 3 years or 5 years or 7 years, periodically issued to the return the loan amount. Some borrowing money in debentures holders company, that periodically the return to the money. To borrow money in excess of paid up capital and free reserve. Company's paid up capital is 25 lakhs means the loan below 25 lakhs only company allowed, but paid up capital is high, loan is very low amount only. Each and every company paid up capital is high only, loan level is very less only. That time only company is achieve to profit, mean more loan, very less company paid up capital or share capital means that time company is very loss. Next one, to appoint a sole agent for more than 5 years. Some agents is appointed in sole. Sole means some single agents. Many companies, many agent in within 5 years, more than 5 years only. To issue bonds, shares and for recognition for share capital. Some bonds and shares for recognition of share capital means company issued in some recognitions of some percentage only allowed in share capital. Next one, to contribute the money of charitable purposes exceeding 50,000 or 5% of the average profit of the 3 years, whichever is greater. Next one, other powers. Power to fill casual vacancy. Casual vacancy. Power to appoint the first auditor of the company. Each and every joint stock company or small company, small organization, small unit means compulsory or every year audit of the company. Compulsory audit of the audit only company is company present status, profit or loss situation, easy to assume, audit only. Power to appoint the alternative directors and additional directors and key managerial personnel. Next one, power to remove a key managerial personnel. Some key managerial personnel. Key managerial means that is managing power, managerial skill, managing power. Power to recommended the interim and financial dividend into shareholders. Company is that financially and the financially shareholder time is completed means the end of the period compulsory return for profit or return for shareholder money. Next one, power to declare a solvency position of the company. Declare to solvency. Each and every company directors is a sound mind of director. That company only successful. Power to make a political contribution. Power to make political. Some joint stock company is some political inflation is political power, political some contributions, some amount of spending in some social awareness programming, some spending in some percentage of amount. Listen students, it's very easy only. Power of directors, three mainly: statutory power of directors, managerial power of directors, power only with a resolution, other powers. Listen students, 1 or 2 times you watch. This is a 5-mark question. Everybody today itself you thorough this question. You next day you postmark means your workload only heavy. Listen students, coming 12th quarterly exam. Everybody prepare quarterly exam. Okay, thank you students. Next class we will discuss next one new topic. Okay, thank you students.